In this video, I'm going to open up this Carla Mechanic set and show you what it is.
Welcome to Chuck's Metal Models.
This set comes with a nice plastic case that you can put all your parts in when they're done. I have all the parts pulled out and sorted out, and I'll go through some of them. Like I said, here are the parts sorted out. Now, Mechanic set is Meccano Compatible. So here's Meccano part, here's the Mechanix part. When I hold them together, they're the same size, the holes all line up. So these are compatible. One thing I mentioned is the Meccano has gone plastic. These are metal. Even these thin pieces that are flexible are metal. So these are all metal parts. These are flexible because when I build this vehicle, I'm going to probably have to bend these from looking at the pictures. And then, so there's hard metal, and then there's a couple of these that are thinner metal. These have interesting screws, or bolts I should say. They are kind of like Phillips, but this is a blunt edge, so it does work. So they're not the hex heads like, or actually square or whatever they were, the Meccano, but they say that this is blunt edge, so it's safe for children. This set is for age 8 to 99, so I guess I'm still young enough to use it. I'm going to have to go through and show you this built. A little extra plastic on that one, just cleaned it out. And when I get done, I'm going to take these parts and I'm going to add them to my Meccano collection, so when I build stuff, I have more parts to choose from. This set here is an interesting pink, so I'll have to see a combination of gray and pink in some other sets, but there's the bolts and nuts. And I got a few of them mixed in the wrong place. I sorted them out. So there's different sizes, and they tell you in the instructions which size to use. And here is the spanner, or in the United States I believe we call these wrenches. So if you hear me say wrench and spanner is the same thing. These are M4 for the nuts and bolts, so they're metric, but the actual parts are the imperial system like Meccano. So if I pull this out, you can see, okay, these holes are spaced at ½ an inch apart, so every 2 holes is 1 inch. So I know some people say on some of these type of sets, well, they're a combination of metric and imperial. Well, all the spacing of holes are all imperial and the bolt size are metric, so it's not really an issue when they say it's a combination. It makes you sound like some of these parts are metric and some are imperial and they won't fit together, but they do. These are all Meccano compatible parts, and then the nuts and bolts are metric. So when I combine them in my sets, I'll keep these nuts and bolts separate from my Meccano nuts and bolts, but I should be back shortly with the built model. And I'm back with the built model. Here is my model of Carla. I call it the pink Volkswagen Beetle, or VW Bug. So let's go over here. These is some extra nuts and bolts, so they do give you some spares. I was talking earlier that some of the parts are flexible metal, and you can see on the top here around the wheel wells that it's flexible, and the hood and the roof. So yes, that is flexible metal. It's not plastic. So let's give you a good view of the front. There is the front of the vehicle. These would be the headlights here. Here's the side mirrors. Let's go to the side. And you can see the rounded shape. That's what I call a VW bug. Let's see if I can get inside here. You can see a steering wheel over here. So this must be the British version of the car, because in the United States where I am, you'd be sitting over here when you drive. In the rear, I mean, they do say Mechanix right here. You know it's a Mechanix model. If you don't want it, you just put a piece on upside down, so the writing faces inside. You won't see that. But as I'm showing you, here are the rear view mirrors. So here's the other side. And if we kind of flip it underside, it's like, okay, you can see the underside. I mean, it does roll. See the wheels? They do roll. So I kind of like the model there, but I'm going to take it apart and put all the parts in with all my Meccano parts. So let's put the model back and pull out the manual. Here is the manual. It says for ages 8 to 99. This manual reminds me of the older manuals where they don't show you putting two pieces on at a time. It's like, here's the entire front assembly, and then they show you step 2 is the back seat, and they show you 2 views of it and the parts you need. That way you can look at it and see how to put it together, and it's supposed to be working your mind. So you're not supposed to be just told here how to do it step by step. It's like, here, this is what you should create. Here's the parts. Now you learn how to create it. I know some people say, well, it's too complicated for the kids. The kids need to learn complicated items. They learn how to build stuff. That's how they expand their mind. So yeah, there's a manual. It's not a lot of steps. Let's flip to the back here. Total of 11 steps. A whole manual. You build that car in only 11 steps. And guys, I just show you, here's the front and here's the back. Here's the parts. You figure out how to put it together. They do give you a little step at one point on this step. They tell you loosen these bolts to put this piece in, make it easier, but that's it. The rest is you got to learn how to make it. Here is the bolts, and this is true to size. So let's set that bolt. Ooh, let me get there right next to it so you can see the sizes do match. That one matches. Let's kind of move around a little. That one there matches, and let's get one more. So they do match the size. They kind of teach you how to use the screwdriver to put the bolts in, and how to use the spanner or wrench. But I like the model. Leave notes in the comments what you think of it. And I'll put the speed build. It took me about 2 hours to build it. It's going to be about a minute and 15-second speed build. I'll attach it next.
Thank you from Chuck's Metal Models. Please leave a comment and let me know what you think. Please like and subscribe. Until we build again.